Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we have Degustabox. Just got back from the school run and the delivery driver was here. So that was nice. Degustabox is a monthly snack subscription box. I pay for this myself. It is not PR. Don't fall off my oven because you're balanced. Every month is a theme, a loose theme. And every month it is apparently worth more than what you pay for it. However, if, say there's Maltesers, if Maltesers are £2.59 in Tesco, they will say they are £2.59, even though you can get them for £1 in the pound shop. So kind of swings around about. Every time you get a box, you get a code, a discount code, which you can give to anybody in your life. If that code is used twice, you get a free box. So this is a free box because 2 of you lovely people have used my code. So without further ado, please ignore my steptoe and sun garden. So this month's theme is summer and get outdoors. You get this little thing that tells you what's in it, and then you get leaflets and stuff to do with the contents of the box as well. So the first thing I've got is Plantastic Millionaires Flapjacks Chocolate and Caramel, £2.25. I haven't any breakfast. It's only like 9:15. I'm not really a breakfast person. I'm not going to try one of these. I don't fancy one now, but they look quite nice. So I'll let the kids try them later and then I'll give you their reactions, or I might try one later. I was all excited about that. I saw Sriracha Kettle Chips, £1.50, that have been, that's not even there's not going to be one crisp in there that isn't broken. But there's Sriracha Mayo. I hate mayo. Like, I don't understand, why would you want mayo? I know there is the thing as Sriracha Mayo, but I love Sriracha. It's like my favourite hot sauce. I'll try one later, but again, I'm not trying one now. I'm like literally drinking. These were £1 in Sainsbury's. Like, that's so cheap. Completely off topic. Oh, I've just seen more iced coffee. Okay, next. Oh, these look nice. The brand is Kind. Dark chocolate, nuts and sea salt. They sound absolutely delicious. I've had Kind bars before. The other ones are caramel, nuts and sea salt. But I'm happy I've got the dark chocolate. These are £2.50, which is absolutely ridiculous. They're nutritious, thin, chewy bars, caramel, nuts and sea salt, or dark chocolate. So I've got the dark chocolate, I'm happy with that. It looks like there's a lot of drinks. I've got some Mentos Pure Fresh Cherry Gum. I think it's gum. Is it gum? Yeah. In a paper packet. This is £2.50. I suppose you get, how many do you get in there? 50 pieces. Not too bad. I really love cherry flavour things, but I bought some chewing gum the other day that was cherry and it was disgusting. So I'm going to try one of these now. How do we lift it? Lift here. Oh, it literally just pops. Oh, and then there's a press down. It's idiot proof. And pull the blue bit out. They look like a Mento. They're yummy. Yum. Really good. I don't know eat it now, I'm gonna spit it out. But delicious. Next, pink cider, £1.80. Crips pink cider, or X, I assume that means cider. It's a fresh fusion of chilled floral sweetness, light bubbles made with Crips pink apples and sunshine. That's it. No added sugar, no concentrate, vegan friendly, B Corp certified, whatever that means. I'm gonna put that in the fridge and I'll have that tonight and I'll put on the screen how that is. It sounds lovely. Oh, the sauce shop. I love the sauce shop. I am obsessed with their buffalo hot sauce. It's the best buffalo sauce in the world. This is a honey chipotle barbecue sauce. £2.75. They are so expensive. Whenever they're on offer, Sainsbury's have them on offer quite a lot. I would like stock up. Not on this one, but on the buffalo. Honey chipotle barbecue sauce is perfect for any barbecue, whether it's glazing chicken wings or as a great dip. It's sweet and smoky and has a perfect hit of heat. So let's... How do we undo you? I'm not the biggest fan of barbecue sauce, but I had something recently and it was really nice, so it's kind of changed my mind a bit. It's a bit spicy. Oh, it's really nice. It tastes like ketchup. It smells smoky, but it tastes like ketchup. That's really nice. But I'm not getting any heat, but I might need more to get the heat. Got Jordan's. I don't like this, but my mum does, so I'll give this to her. Oh, it's got brownie bits in it. The kids might like this. Jordan's Red Velvet Country Crisp. Luxurious, light and crispy golden red oat clusters with chocolate brownie. £3.80. That's ridiculous. Get your taste buds ready for a delicious, crispy and crunchy golden oat clusters that we bake to ensure they're perfect every time. Chocolate brownie pieces and cream cheese frosting flavoured red clusters create a luxurious fudgy combination, which will make your milk turn pink. Okay, the girls are going to like these. Sorry, Mum. But the girls will like them. What's in this little... Ooh! Cajun paste. I love Cajun chicken. £2. I've got this. I have the chili one and the garlic one of these. For the taste of Louisiana, our Cajun paste, it tastes great marinated over chicken or tumbled through our veggies. Cooking is a maximum flavour, minimum fuss. We're very lazy. Let's have a smell. Ooh, that was a good noise. Oh, that smells amazing. That smells so good. I make this thing called Cajun mince. I don't know if I've done a video on it before or not, but you basically just make a bolognese as you normally would, but then chuck in loads of Cajun seasoning. You know, like the cheese triangles, like the Dairy Lee or the Laughing Cow, chuck in loads of them, and then a tin of sweet corn, and it's this Cajun mince, and then you mix it with rice, and it's fucking banging, and that will be so good. Next, I've got 2 drinks. Dalston's. Ooh, real squeezed peach and sparkling water and real pressed rhubarb sparkling water. These are £2 each. Are they alcoholic? Can't be alcoholic for that much. No, it's just a soda. That's a lot, isn't it? I'm going to try the peach one. 49 calories a tin. I'm just stacking weird flavours on top of each other now, aren't I? I love fizzy water, so I'm hoping I like it. Oh, it smells good. Are you sure there's no alcohol in that? No, it's not. It tastes alcoholic though. It's not alcoholic, but it tastes alcoholic. It tastes a bit Copperbergy, I think. Or something. I had something a bit. That's why it's not alcoholic. It just makes me think of something alcoholic. And then we've got a dinky protein bar, salted caramel pretzel. That sounds delicious. £1.50. Muscle mousse. Muscle mousse. That's a good name. The dinky protein bar is perfect low sugar, high protein alternative to unhealthy chocolate treats. Great for when you need to curb your sweet tooth cravings or looking for a quick protein boost. A whopping 11 grams of protein and only 1.6 grams of sugar. Available at Asda. That's awesome. This has very quickly been my favourite box in a long time. And this Boost iced coffee. I'm all about the iced coffee. I keep trying to have normal coffees in the morning. I'm just not into it. So these are £1.19 each. Smooth, indulgent and mellow with a deliciously creamy and refreshing taste. Boost iced coffee is ready to drink whenever you are. Boost iced coffee is available in latte, caramel, double espresso and iced mocha. So I have got the caramel latte, which is the one I would choose anyway, because that's what I'm also drinking over there. And then what are these? Fuck off. What are we got on here? So we've got, that's the cider thing. Oh, you get a free cider. So you can go to Morrison's, Tesco, Sainsbury's or Smith's, scan this and you can get a free cider. You get 40% off the Dalston's water. You can get a free product from Tesco's and Asda, the Plantastic range. And what do you do with this? Oh, this is just the coffee one. If you tag them while you're on Insta or something, you can get a year's supply of iced coffee. So that's exciting. Other than the crisps, because of the mayo, that's the best box I've had. I'm going to fucking try one. I've never eaten mayonnaise ever. Like, the idea of it. We look good. I love kettle chips as well. And I love sriracha. I hate mayonnaise. No. Instant regret. No. There's no spice at all. And I know sriracha isn't super spicy, but there's no spice in that. They smell alright. I think they smell alright. I'm just not a massive fan of the flavour. Oh, I don't know. I think Ben's coming to see the kids tonight. He'll probably eat those. Yeah, best box, hands down, in a long time. Really, really happy with that. And I will let the kids try the Plantastic thing when they get home. And I will let you know on the screen about the cider. Definitely super happy with that. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.